Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about how to use the image magnifier widget of our htmega plugin. You can use this widget to add an interactive zoom hover effect on an image. The hover effect that appears over an image works as a magnifying glass. Your website visitors will be able to zoom into an image just by scrolling the mouse wheel while over the image. Let me show you how you can add a zoom hover effect on an image. First of all, create a section and search for the image magnifier widget. Drag the widget to the section. From the magnifier panel, upload an image and set the size of the image. Enable this option to activate the zoom effect. Here you can set the zoom level as well. I hope now you can use the image magnifier widget easily. If you need any support regarding this widget, please let us know in the comments below, or you can contact us from our website HasThemes.com. Thank you.